you ever gave me, and I'm trying to figure out what I should do with it now. Tried to sleep, but my mind was racing. I could almost feel you, could almost hear your voice, and I am haunted by your memory, wondering why you never came around. It's all in the past now, there's no looking back now. And I should move on, but I just don't know how. Now my world has nothing left to revolve around, and I can hear your voice in every little sound, every little sound. Hundreds of faces walking these hallways, but I'm sitting all alone, waiting for you always at the statue by the pond, where we used to meet every day. My friends all tell me I need to forget you, but the problem with love is once it's left you, all your memories become dead leaves just drifting in the breeze. It's all in the past now, there's no looking back now. And I should move on, but I just don't know how. Now my world has nothing left to revolve around, and I can hear your voice in every little sound, every little sound.